Hello, we're excited to show you our native speech capabilities.
where you can direct a voice, create realistic dialogue, and so much more. Edit these placeholders to get started.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the podcast.
Hi, friends. We're very happy you're here learning English with us today.
This podcast helps you learn real English conversations step by step.
We use simple words and short sentences so you can understand easily.
Today's topic is English conversation at a restaurant.
These phrases are very useful in real life. So listen carefully, repeat after us, and practice speaking.
Let's begin. Part 1. Entering the restaurant. Hello.
Welcome. Table for one?
Yes, please. Part 2. Asking for the menu.
Now you are sitting at the table. You can say, "Can I see the menu?"
Can I see the menu, please?
Another example, "Could I see the menu?"
Listen again. Can I see the menu?
Can I see the menu, please?
Can I see the menu? Can I see the menu, please?
Can I see the menu, please?
Part 3. Ordering food. This is a very common phrase. I would like.
I would like a burger.
I would like a coffee.
I would like a salad.
You can also say, can I get?
Can I get a sandwich?
Can I get tea?
I would like a burger.
Can I get salad?
Sometimes you want more information. You can ask, "What do you recommend?"
What do you recommend?
The pasta is very good.
Another question, what is this?
What is this dish?
You can also ask, is this spicy?
Is this spicy? Yes, it is spicy.
The waiter may ask for here or to go.
For here means you eat in the restaurant.
To go means you take the food with you.
For here or to go?
For here, please. When you finish ordering, say, that's all, thank you.
I would like a burger and a coffee. That's all, thank you.
That's all, thank you.
That's all, thank you.
During the meal, you may say, this is delicious.
This is delicious.
Or, I like this.
I like this food.
When you finish eating, you say, can I get the bill?
Excuse me, can I get the bill?
Can I get the bill?
Can I get the bill?
You may say, how much is it?
How much is it?
Or, here you go. This means you give money. Now, let's listen to a full conversation. Hello.
Welcome. Table for one?
Yes, please.
Here is the menu.
Thank you. I would like a burger.
Anything else?
Can I get a coffee?
Sure. For here or to go?
For here.
Great.
After eating, excuse me, can I get the bill?
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you. Now, listen again.
I would like a burger.
Can I get a coffee?
For here or to go?
That's all, thank you. Now it's your turn. Repeat after us. Can I see the menu?
Can I see the menu?
I would like a burger.
I would like a burger.
Can I get tea?
Can I get tea?
That's all, thank you.
That's all, thank you.
Can I get the bill?
Can I get the bill?
Imagine you are in a restaurant. You want to order food. Say, hello, can I see the menu?
Then say, I would like a burger.
Great job! Great job, everyone. Today you learned how to speak English at a restaurant.
These phrases will help you in real-life situations.
Practice them every day to improve your English.
Before we finish, we have a question for you.
What is your favorite food?
Write in the comments, my favorite food is blank.
We'd love to read your answers.
Thanks for learning English with us today.
See you in the next episode.